Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will look into the differences between temporary joining and permanent joining. In manufacturing industries, joining of two or more components is indispensably necessary for assembly purposes. Joining makes the production system more reliable, efficient and profitable. There exist various joining techniques in order to assemble a larger variety of materials in innumerable ways. Some of these methods can join components permanently, while others can join temporarily. Accordingly, joining can be classified into two groups, temporary and permanent. So, let's look into the basic differences between temporary joining and permanent joining in a tabular form. Difference number 1. Temporary joints allow easy dismantling of assembled components without breaking them, whereas permanent joints don't allow dismantling of assembled components without rupturing them. Number 2. Temporary joints are not necessarily leak-proof, whereas permanent joints are usually leak-proof. Number 3. Strength of temporary joint is comparatively less, whereas strength of permanent joint is high. Usually joint strength is same with that of the components. Number 4. Temporary joint facilitates fast, easy and cost-efficient inspection. No destructive testing is required for inspection of joints, whereas, as permanent joints cannot be disassembled easily, so inspection is difficult and costly. Often destructive testing is carried out, which damages the assembled structures. Number 5. Repair and replacement are also easy for temporary joints, whereas repair and replacement are difficult and costly for permanent joints. Number 6. Temporary joints are suitable where frequent separation of assembled components is required, whereas permanent joints are suitable for such applications where separation is usually not desired in the service life. And difference number 7. Examples of various temporary joints include fasteners, press fit, cotter joints, knuckle joints, etc., whereas examples of various permanent joints include welding, brazing and soldering, riveting, adhesive joining, coupling, etc. As we can see here,